Hey, Tami Jersey Roberts. I want to talk a little bit about the 5-day Healthy Habit Challenge. This is a preview of bonus number 1. It is 20 amazing salad recipes. Now, you might be thinking salad, blah, lettuce and tomato, but these salads are actually amazing. And one of the most amazing things about them is that they incorporate the concept of eating the rainbow. I'm talking about well-balanced. Everything that we need is in the rainbow colors for every nutrient. I'm talking red, yellow, orange, green, turquoise, blue, and white. Isn't that beautiful? Yes, eating the rainbow. These are 20 amazing salads as we're going into winter, and you need substance right now. So these are not your wimpy spring salads. I hope you signed up for the 5-day Healthy Habit Challenge. The link will be below this video. See you tomorrow. Thank you.